Alright folks, we're here in the shanty, rocking the Vexilar. We got the tungsten dinner bell, we got wax worms, bait, everything we need. All we need is a perch. Nice. I stopped recording, second later, hooked a tank, and then lost it right at the hole. Jake should be here any minute. I think I actually see him pulling up right now. So. Yes! Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo! Hey, you got the wrong address. And look, you see that other one, too?
Yeah, it's a fucking house.
Here, grab your, yeah, you mind? There, and your that white rod should be in there as well. Here, I got the GoPro going, too. Woo! I got these things.
The thing's pretty slick. I'll try this out for a little bit.
Yeah, try that, and then, yeah.
And if you're just getting blasted and I'm not,
yeah.
We'll,
so, I don't know how it'll work with the, oh, they got some. But I'm going to drop the lure. You'll see the lure go down. So, that's the lure.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty obvious.
Yeah.
So I wonder if mine will catch this one.
Like, it's on bottom now. Now it's right off. It's that thing. And then, like, you'll just see another thing that looks just like that. And it'll usually come from the bottom, and it gets closer, and then they become one, and you feel a bite. This is 13 feet of water. Yeah. Go? Oh, yeah.
Either got one or... Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude.
Woo!
It's low-key a tank.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Here we go. He wasn't fighting at all.
Oh, it's like a log.
You're keeping that, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. I got it. Dink. Could be not a dink.
Something just thumped mine.
I might have just... Are we on the same fish? No, we're just doubled up right now. Just fucking savage
Dude,
mode.
fucking... Both keepers.
Beautiful. Cheers.
Let's get this
That's
guy.
awesome. That was my first double up on the ice.
That was solid.
Ice double up.
Do these bagels, I'm telling you.
They're good.
Oh my god.
It's kind of like, they're pretty, oh, I got a fish. That's definitely, like, that is a fish. Wait. See? That's the lure. That's the fish. Watch this. Hit me, bitch. There we go. It feels like a small one. Actually, no. Well, can't really tell. It's a solid one, yeah. What do you think?
I don't know.
I'm going to throw it back.
Yeah, might as well.
Dude, it's...
Yo. Crap, dude, hold this.
Oh my god. That looks like a tank.
It feels like a tank.
Dude. Holy shit! Dude! Oh my god.
Holy shit,
dude.
Dude.
Oh wow.
Oh, oh shit.
Okay.
That's not a keeper.
I mean, it's a perch.
Yeah.
Not a keeper, but definitely a perch.
Like
Dude, they're rolling in right now. Oh, this is a fish. Ready? Oh, feels decent.
Yeah, it's a keeper, but just barely.
I'm tossing them.
Yeah.
Tossing them
No
back.
reason.
We have enough.
There's like 3 of those already.